if you look at the wars in the world which are happening among religious people, you will notice that most people who are fighting each other, whether they are Muslims or non-Muslims, they are fighting each other in the name of their gods. Like you can see that America attacked Afghanistan, America attacked other countries of Muslims. What was the reason? You may think it was a worldly reason for materialistic benefits, but what was the purpose of destroying the countries? What was the purpose of killing the human beings? What was the purpose of using atomic destructive weapons? And who were they? Who were the people these kind of weapons and armies were used against? They were Muslims. In many countries, in almost all countries, they were Muslims. So similarly, if you look at Kashmir issue, you will see that there are two groups of people. One is Hindus, second is Muslims. Why are they fighting each other? Because Muslims claim that Allah is God and Hindus claim that Ram, Krishna, Vishnu, Hanuman, etc. are gods. Because Hindu believes in many names of gods, in many multiple gods. So they are fighting each other in the name of their gods. Similarly, if you look at Palestine issue, Israel attacks them. Who are Israelis? Israelis worship Yahweh. They claim Yahweh is the God. And Muslims claim Allah is the God. So they are fighting each other in the name of gods. Once again here you can see that it is a religious war because they both are followers of different religions. Now let me give you an example and also ask you a question. Let's suppose if all the Hindus in Kashmir become Muslim, will Muslims fight them like they are fighting now? Or if all the Muslims convert into Hindus in Kashmir, then will Hindus kill them like they are killing now? No, they will not. And it's a common sense that you can understand through your mindset. Similarly, you can apply the same rule in the Palestine. If Palestinian Muslims become Jews, Jews will not kill and attack them like they are doing now. And if Israelis revert back to Islam and become Muslims, then Palestinians will not fight against them like they are doing now. Same situation goes to Afghanistan or other countries where America attacked. If they were Muslims, Americans, if they were Muslims, they will not be attacking Muslim countries like they did. And if the people of Afghanistan and other countries where America attacked before, if they were Christians, which they are not, if they were Christians, then America will not be attacking them like America did. So what these kind of practical examples from practical events in the 21st century are demonstrating and showing us? It is showing that and it is proving that the wars in the world are happening due to existence of concepts of many multiple gods. Now the question is, if the war is religious, which you can understand easily that war is a religious war, and it is a religious war because of the worshipping of the many other kind of gods, and they have their own names. So who really is the God? Who really is the God? How can you know? You can know it about through the system of nature, through the behavior of nature, through the neutral judges who are newborn babies, animals and birds. Because the God of Islam, Allah, practically writes his name through the nature in the 21st century, and Allah, the God of Islam, practically controlled newborn babies, birds and animals and allowed them to speak and recite the name of Allah by his power and command. This is how Allah practically demonstrated for the human beings of this world to recognize that Allah is the real God of the universe. But you will see that all fabricated gods were not able to do it. All man-made gods were not able to do it because they did not create this universe. So that is why they do not control the system and nature of the universe. But since Allah is the real God and creator, so practically only Allah did. And this is enough sign for those who think with common sense. And you can find the details about those practical proofs through the links in the description of this video.